Ayo and welcome back to Ayo World. In this Ayo Maldives special, we'll be giving you 10 Ayo tips for your trip to the Maldives. For a general insight into the Maldives and more Maldives specials, watch our Ayo Maldives travel guide and subscribe to our channel. Firstly, make sure to book your accommodation and arrange transportation ahead of time. Choose a resort based on its location and what you want to experience. Each resort in the Maldives is unique and offers a different kind of experience. For example, the Siyam World offers a more adventurous time, located on a rather large Maldivian island in the Nunu Atoll, with a thrilling water world experience and even horse riding on offer. While the Sun Siyam Iruvili in the South Nilanday Atoll is a more intimate resort, with many activities on offer but more focused on a calming atmosphere. Other resorts may have underwater accommodation, golf courses, sporting courts, stingray feedings, and more. For more insight into the features of some amazing Maldivian resorts, watch our Ayo Hotel specials. If you have specific activities in mind, don't hesitate to ask your resort. Some activities like planting your own palm tree or private dinners may not be advertised, but are still available upon request. Also, if you have planned a short stay and want to plan your activities in advance, ask your resort for an event and entertainment schedule to be sent to you a few days before your arrival. Most trips and activities such as diving and snorkel excursions or cruises can be booked spontaneously or a couple of days before your desired date. In general, most resorts in the Maldives are known for having helpful and informative staff, so don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions or requests. When planning your trip, consider looking into the all-inclusive options that the resorts and hotels offer. These packages often include drinks, meals, and activities, making them convenient and cost-effective. Since drinks and meals can be expensive in the Maldives, an all-inclusive package can help you stay within your budget. The Maldives have a dry and a wet or monsoon season. The dry season between November and April is widely considered the best time to visit. But depending on what activities you're planning and what budget you would like to go with, it is certainly worth looking into the travel times closely. To truly experience the Maldives, consider visiting a local island. Most resorts offer organised trips that take a few hours. During these trips, they take you to the nearest local island by boat and give you a tour of the area while they share their knowledge and insights into the life of the locals. Immerse yourself in the rich culture and traditions of the smaller islands in this Muslim country. Remember to respect the local customs by dressing modestly when visiting local islands and religious sites. Public displays of affection should also be avoided. Keep in mind that alcohol consumption is generally limited to resorts. When packing for your trip to the Maldives, it's essential to pack smart. While some equipment like diving gear can be rented, you should bring essential items with you. Snorkeling gear such as mask and fins are available for rent, either included in your offer or for an additional price, and you can also bring your own. Remember to pack sun protection such as hats and sunglasses and light and breathable clothing, including a UV shirt for water activities. If you would like to capture those incredible Maldivian moments, then a GoPro or camera is a must. We also recommend packing slippers or sandals, an electrical outlet adapter if necessary, credit cards as they are the main method of payment in resorts, and some cash for tips or local island trips in US dollars or the local currency, rupiah. The Maldives are home to stunning marine life and coral reefs. When exploring these underwater wonders, please remember not to touch anything. The underwater world of the Maldives is peaceful and calm, but if you disturb the wrong reef or certain animals, they will defend themselves, resulting in a usually quite painful experience. It's crucial to respect the delicate ecosystem for everyone's well-being and safety, and to preserve it for future generations. Also, please use reef-safe sun cream to protect the coral reefs from harmful chemicals. The tropical climate in the Maldives calls for staying hydrated. Make sure to drink plenty of bottled water, as tap water may not be safe for consumption. The resorts all provide clean and safe bottled drinking water. Be sure to keep yourself refreshed and ready to enjoy all the amazing activities this paradise has to offer. The sun in the Maldives can be intense, so it's important to keep that in mind at all times. Avoid prolonged exposure during the midday sun and wear protective clothing, especially when engaging in water activities. Make sure to reapply your reef-safe sun cream with a high SPF factor multiple times a day, especially before and after being in the water, as the rays become even stronger through the reflection. Last but certainly not least, don't miss out on the opportunity to try the local cuisine. Indulge in the flavours of the Maldives and explore the different restaurants your resort has to offer. Most resorts offer at least 2 different restaurants, with one being a buffet and one an à la carte restaurant. Often there will be an even wider selection of culinary experiences available for you to choose from. There may be many dishes available that you've never even heard of. Feel free to ask the staff about any dishes on the menu or at the buffet that you don't know or are generally curious about. The staff will be more than happy to answer all your questions and help you to get to know the food and fall in love with the local cuisine. Immerse yourself in a culinary journey and savour the delicious dishes that showcase the vibrant culture of the Maldives. And there you have it, our top 10 AO tips for travelling to the Maldives. For more exclusive information and helpful tips for your trip to the Maldives, watch our AO Maldives travel guide and our AO Maldives hotel specials. For more AO destinations and travel tips, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the Maldives.